Hello, welcome back to another video. It is Monday today. Happy Monday, sending out all the positive vibes for everybody on their Monday. It's a new week. I'm just getting ready for the day. I'm going to be running a few errands today, so I thought I would bring you guys along. Why not? Yeah, so I'm just doing my skincare. Jaira and Joseph are still asleep, which I'm loving, so I can just do me, get myself sorted. Okay, moisturizer. Oh, okay. So Jaira's a little bit sick at the moment. He's just got a bit of a cold, but he's starting to get better, I think. So I'm gonna see how he is today, because we're gonna be going to Costco. Well, either just me or I'll bring Jaira depending on how he's feeling, because we haven't been to Costco since we've moved into this house. We've just been going to Woolies and everywhere else. So yeah, I really want to go to Costco today, and Jaira loves Costco as well, so I thought I'll bring him if he's feeling a bit better. Otherwise I'll just have to go by myself, because I don't want to take him out if he's like coughing and everything. And I was so worried about myself getting sick when he started getting sick, because usually every time he's sick means I'm going to be getting sick. And I started getting a little bit of a stuffy nose like just after he got sick. I was like, oh, here we go. But thankfully it didn't go further than that. I just had a bit of a stuffy nose and I'm good. Thank the Lord. So I'm going to be going to Costco. Excuse the birds outside if you can hear that. Yeah, so I'm going to go to Costco today. I've got to go to Kmart, Big W, because I want to start some Easter shopping. Easter's in a few weeks. So I need to get onto that for Jaira. So I will be doing that today. And what else did I want to do? I think that's all the places I wanted to go to. We might go to some more as I'm like out and about. We will see. But yeah, that's the plan. First stop is Costco anyway. Then, you know, favorite step, most important step, guys, is the SPF. We all should know that by now. And if you don't, get you some SPF every day, every day. Done. Is the skin skinning or what? I am getting a little pimple right here, so just ignore that. But skincare's done. Now I just need to finish getting the rest of myself ready. What do you reckon? I made a really nice one yesterday, I think it was. I'm gonna make toasted sandwiches for breakfast. Got the chicken here, pickles, olives, spinach, excuse me, Jaira, cheese and onion. So yeah, I made a really yum one yesterday with all of this, so I'm gonna do it again today. He doesn't want to be on the vlog, and he is still quite sick, aren't you, son? Yeah, so he's gonna stay home with his dad since Joseph's not working today. He's got a day off, so they're gonna hang out while I go run my errands. You gonna hang out with Dad? Yeah. Yeah? Look at that sandwich. Yum. Just gotta top it. Oh, yum. I'm so excited. It was so cute. I was actually meant to show you. I forgot. So cute. Okay. She's ready. Okay, I'm sorry to do this, but Alexa, you gotta pause.
Wow.
Alexa, pause.
Take a
You're
vlog
gonna copyright me. Alright, let's see. Oh, you can't even see properly, Joel. Here we go. Alright. Oof, yeah. Okay. Oh, she's falling apart. Alright. Yes, it is. Look at that. What a sandwich.
What a singer.
What a semi.
Oh, you didn't put ickle pays on it. Ah, brains.
Okay, so I'm pretty much ready to go, but I don't know which bag. I don't know if I want to keep the like black on black, you know, and also I don't know if I want to keep the crossbody strap on or if I'll just hold it like this, or do I break the black and do the brown so it's not as harsh, you know. I don't know, does that go? Just keep it black on black, because I feel like this doesn't really go with the, I don't know, I feel like this doesn't really go with the outfit. You know what I mean? I think, yeah, I'll just wear this. So yeah, I'm all ready to go anyways. I go say goodbye to the boys and I'll see you at Costco. Hey, I'm here. Gosh, I haven't been to a Costco in so long. I think probably since Christmas. Oh no, would have been after Christmas. Probably like just after Christmas. Oh yes. There's like what I need. I wanted like a light brown throw. Do they have other ones? I wanted like a beigey light brown. Oh, sorry. Have I got? Oh, there. What is that? Oh, they're like $15. What the heck? No, I think that's too brown. I need like a beige, a more light one. I actually like that I don't have Joseph or Jaira with me, so I can really just take my time, look in all the sections. Like this is all the home stuff. We usually like don't really look through all of these things. Joseph just likes to get in and get out. But I'm like, it's Costco, you gotta have a look around at everything. Oh, that's a nice green blankie. I was gonna do the green for my house, but I'm gonna wait and do that later. Ooh, these are nice towels. Love that green. Those are soft. $13. That's alright, eh? That's cheap. The blue. Oh yeah, tan color. The grey. Oh yes, I love that grey too. And then whites. What is this? Pillow. What the heck? It's different. Like, I never come down any of these sections. I didn't even know they did this stuff, but look at this. Jaira would love that. Comes with a little backpack as well. How cute. I have to send Joseph a photo of that. But yeah, did not realize they did like glasses and bowls and all of that stuff. Oh my gosh, is that a sauna? What? I've been missing out, man. Thank you. Yum.
What are they? The product is just available. You want to try one?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Thank you. It smells amazing.
Smells good.
Oh, I'll take one of those as well. Thank you. It's really hot. Please don't burn my mouth.
I think we do. Although.
Oh, they're selling out too. There's only a couple left. So it's 1.2 kgs for, nope, not that one. Over there, $22. Oh, those are actually really nice. They have the carbonara buldak noodles. A 6-pack for $15. That's cheap. And I do actually love these. Yum.
497.
Oh, that's me. Yes, that's me. Yeah.
How far to stay? Nice, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, how much is the Roscoe watermelon? $13.
I got some cheese pizza. I never get the Costco pizza because pizza usually makes me feel really yuck, and I don't like the tomatoey base on it. But I was looking at it today and I was just like, I kind of want to get the cheese pizza. And my mum loves the Costco cheese pizza. She's always liked it, and she was talking about it when they were up a couple weeks ago. So I saw it today and I was like, oh, I kind of want to get it. So let's see. I'm gonna have a bite and see if I like it or if I'm just like, yeah, no. Can already taste the tomato. I do not like tomato. For those that didn't know that. That's alright. Standard. There you go, Mum. If you're watching this, you probably are. Alright. I need to get home. And I got some chips. Love the Costco chips. I was so tempted to get a cookie because, you know, if you know, you know, the Costco cookies are amazing. But I want to do some cookies today. I want to bake some today, so I thought I better not. I'll get proper food. Not that this is really proper food, but you know. Alright, I need to go home. I'm gonna bake some cookies. Well, I'm gonna make up the cookie dough now and then chill it and bake it later. I was meant to go to like Kmart and the other shops as well, but I'm gonna leave that for tomorrow because it's already late in the afternoon and I'm just not bothered, to be honest. So I'll take you guys there with me tomorrow. But yeah, I've got all my ingredients here. I got the Costco New Zealand butter. It's in this block instead of the single like small packs it would usually come in, which is a little bit annoying because usually I would just use the small whole block for my cookie batches. So now I've got to like weigh this and cut it up myself. It doesn't even have like the measurements on here. Usually it's got like the tablespoon things, but yeah. So I'm about to do that. Got my Whittaker's, so I'm gonna make like Whittaker's cookies with pistachio in the middle. I'm gonna stuff them with the pistachio spread as well. So yeah, I'm gonna put my headphones on, listen to some music while I do this, but you guys can watch me.
Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All nigga, when they dance for wanting some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Mr. DJ, so when you replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All nigga, when they dance for wanting some more. Mr. DJ, it goes 1 by 1, even 2 by 2. Everybody in the floor, let me show you how we do. Let's go. Tip it low, then you bring it up slow. Run it up 1 time, run it back once more. Come run, everybody move, run. Let me see you move, run. Rock it to the groove, done. Shake it till the moon becomes the sun. Everybody in the club, give me a run. If you ready to move, say yeah. 1 time for your mindset, yeah. Well, I'm ready for it. Let me show you. You want to groove, I'ma show you how to move. Come, Mr. DJ, so when you replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All they got when they dance for wanting some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Mr. DJ, so when you replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All Let the bass from the speakers run through your sneakers. Move both your feet and rock to the beat. Run, 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 run. Everybody move. Run. Let me see you move. Run. Rock it to the groove. Shake it till the moon becomes the sun. Everybody in the club with me a run. Run. If you ready to move, say it. Yeah. One time for your mindset. Yeah, yeah. Well, I'm ready for it. Come, let me show you. You want to prove? I'ma show you how to move. Mr. DJ, some funny replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All they got run it down, so wanting some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Come, Mr. DJ, some funny replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All they got run it down, so wanting some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Hey, Mr. Hey, Mr. DJ, tell me if it hit me. Turn the music up right now. Hey, Mr. DJ, tell me if it hit me. Turn the music up right now. Okay, everybody get down if you feel me. Put your hands up to the ceiling. Everybody get down if you feel me. Come and put your hands up to the ceiling. Everybody get down if you feel me. Put your hands up to the ceiling. Everybody get down if you feel me. Come and put your hands up to the ceiling. Mr. DJ, some funny replay. Hey, Mr. DJ, some funny replay. The dance floor wanting some more. They got on the dance floor. Mr. DJ, some funny replay. Hey, Mr. DJ, boy. All they got on the dance floor wanting some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up?
Got me lazy right now, yeah. Can't you represent to my day? I'm trying to live it up. Yeah, right, baby. Yeah, right, yeah. Bring it up to my plate. You be high, baby. Yeah, so I know you, yeah.
I want a dude with a wicked and slang.
Baby, yeah, so I know you, yeah.
You want a proper fit? Call me. You want to get your kick? Call me. You want the cheese tricks? Call me.
Baby, yeah, so I know you, yeah. Bring it over to my plate. You don't know what you do. Eat to me. Your body like it. Sticks to me. I don't know what you do. Eat to me. Your body love it. Wait.
Lost without you. All this is you. To know that I love you, baby. Lost without you. Can't help myself. All this is you.
Fucking Robitussin. I don't know how this shit got me lazy right now, yeah. Can't do represent to my leg. I'm 21, trying to live it up. Yeah, right, baby. Yeah, right, yeah. Bring it over to my place. You be high, baby. Yeah, so I know you, yeah. Bring it over to my plate. You don't know what you did. Eat to me. Your body like it. Sticks to me. I don't know what you did. Eat to me. Your body like it. Speaks to me. So sing for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You took my, yeah. You took my.
You're 22, tú what I handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, tú what I handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. Say you like the ring, you're right. Girl, I really know your type is me. Wondering if you and I.
Alright, the doughs are all done. I had to do a separate little batch for Gyro because he can't have the like chocolate and stuff. So yeah, that's what I took aside while I was doing up the doughs. What are you doing? Those are for cookies. You can have a little bit. So yeah, I just need to clean up. They're in the fridge chilling and I'll probably bake them tonight. I'll see. Either tonight after Gyro's gone to bed or I'll wait, like, what's the time? Oh, it's already 5:30. Yeah, it's gonna have to be tonight after Gyro goes to bed. So I'll come back on when it's time to bake. Okay, time to cook dins. Ooh. I'm gonna make some creamy spinach and mushroom garlicky cheesy chicken with rice for dins. It's one of my
go-tos, one of my famous dishes. So let's do it. Okay, get that away. Alright, so I've just got a couple chicken breasts to cut up. I haven't actually made this dish in a while. I used to make it almost every week, like just became a little bit obsessed. My bowl over here. Yeah, and whenever I've made it for people, everybody likes it, so oh. And it's so simple and easy. You can literally just change it up however you want, add anything. Alright, now I'm gonna add in some, oh actually, babe, can you come twist this salt and pepper in for me? Because I've got some on my fingers. Yep. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I can do this. Garlic powder. I'm going to put actual garlic into this as well, but just going to put some garlic powder on the chicken. Old Bay. Love some Old Bay. Bit of paprika. These are just like my go-to seasonings I use almost every time. And Cajun, this is one of my faves. But you can use whatever seasonings you like. And then give it a mix. Okay, while that chicken's cooking, I'm going to cut up some onion, garlic, and mushrooms. That are going in. How does everyone else get their garlic out of the bowl? Oh my eyes. Oh, it's starting. Because I literally just, oh my eyes are watering. Like, I don't know if there's a specific way, but I literally just find the lines, find the grooves, dig into it, and then just flick it out. Does anyone else do that? Oh gosh. Those are done. Time for the mushrooms. Actually, I have to check that chicken.
Almost ready. Okay. Love me some mushies. Can't have too many mushies, eh, babe? Right answer. Yeah, I'm gonna do another one. Okay, that'll do. This chicken is done, so I'm gonna take it out and put it aside and then fry up the mushrooms and everything else. Literally no better smell than butter, onions and mushies frying up. Yum. Time for the spinach. Just remembered I had cream cheese, so I'm going to add some of that in as well. That is bubbling away nicely, so I'm going to add the chicken back in now. Alright, time to add in cheese. I'm going to add in this perfect bake, so you can add in whatever cheese you want. And then that's pretty much done. Just got to mix it in. And she's pretty much good to go. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more salt and pepper. And then it's done. Thank you. Look at that. Yum. Oh, I cannot wait to eat this. Yum. Yum, look at that. Add all your cucumber already. Yum. Good boy. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Let's try it. A little bit of everything.
It's hot. And it's hot. hot. Mama.
Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, so good, son. You're missing out. Sorry to tell you, but you're missing out. Mm. Cannot go wrong with this, Jara. Yum.
Whoa.
Romeo's in hypo mode.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna eat this and call it a night. I will see you guys tomorrow. You can say goodnight?
Do not.
Okay, I was just cleaning up the kitchen after dinner and remembered that I have the cookies to make. So I've just got them out of the fridge and I just stuffed one of them with the pistachio. So yeah, I've just got to do the rest of them and chuck them in the oven.
And no, too.
You gonna help too?
Yeah.
Are you finished your dinners?
Yeah.
Yeah?
My morning tea.
Morning tea?
Yeah.
That was your night tea, your dinner. It's night time.
No dear, Mama.
Thank you, son. So I'm just gonna flatten it out.
So you just put the feather out, Mama?
Yep. Flatten out the cookie. And then grab the pistachio. The frozen pistachio. And then these blobs turned out like they flattened, so they're really wide. And then just make it into a ball. Cover it all in the dough.
And I'm just gonna break it apart.
It's peeping through. You're gonna break it apart?
Yeah.
No, we're putting it all together. There we go. So yeah, I just gotta do that with all of them and then put them on. The cookies are ready. Look at that. It's still warm. I want to try one while it's still warm. But oh, how good does that look? Yum. I'm just gonna pour a glass of milk. Okay. Let me pour a glass of milk and then we can see. Oh, so that's what it looks like. I didn't put enough in these ones. Oh, yum, that still looks so good though. Yeah, you can see the pistachio. Hear that crunch on the outside and then it's just soft chewy inside. Try in the milk. Yum. Okay, so those are a win. I'm gonna go sit down on the couch, put the TV on and enjoy something. Everyone's gone to bed now, so I'm gonna enjoy my cookie and some me time, catch up on some TV. We just resubscribed to Disney Plus, so I might have to check that out. We didn't have it for, I don't know, probably like a year or something, and we've just gotten it back, so I might have to have a little look-see at that. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, happy Tuesday. Just having brekkie with Jyra. I'm having
something I haven't had in like years probably. Chili tuna on toast with QP. I went through a phase where I was like obsessed with this and I would have it like every day for breakfast. And then it got to a point where I was just over it. I just did it too much and then I was like, I don't want tuna anymore at all. So I like didn't have tuna for ages after that. But yeah, Jaira's here, got his. You gonna say morning to the vlog?
Morning.
Feeling a bit better today, eh, son?
Yeah.
Thank goodness. He's having his brekkie. But yeah, I thought I would just jump on and say good morning. It's getting a bit colder too. I like just came to the realization this morning. I come to a bit of a realization this morning that summer is like actually over. Like that probably sounds really stupid. Like I knew summer was coming to an end and it was getting a bit cooler, but I was like thinking this morning, it's like, man, like I slept in my like long pajamas last night. It's really getting colder. And then I realized I was like, dude, we're in March. Like summer's gone. It's actually autumn now. But yeah, that probably sounds really dumb, but that's just like the realization I had this morning when I was talking to myself. But yeah, summer's finished, Jaira. No more summer now.
No.
I feel like we had a dumb summer. Like, I feel like there was heaps of rain this summer and it was like heat waves and then just heaps of rain. So I feel like, yeah, we didn't actually do much this summer. I don't think we even went to the beach, eh? Did we go to the beach?
No.
No, we didn't. But yeah, that's just my little Tuesday morning thoughts.
Okay, so it's like 5 o'clock and I am just leaving to go to the shops now. My goodness, Joseph finished work later than usual and then I was just about to leave and my nan called me, so we ended up being on the phone for like an hour, which is fine. I didn't want to like rush her off the phone or anything because we hadn't caught up in a while. So yeah, I was catching up with her. So I am just, yes, I'm in the car. I am just about to leave. I need to go to Big W and then to Kmart. I just want to have a look at their Easter sections because I've had a quick look online, but I want to go in store and I might get a couple things for Jaira today. I don't know, I just want to go and suss out what's there. I really wanted to have a look at the reject shop as well because apparently they've got some good Easter things this year, but I don't have a reject shop in my mall, which is annoying. So yeah, I'm just gonna check out Big W and Kmart today, maybe Woolies, I'll see. But yeah, I'll bring you guys along anyways. Let's go. First stop, look at their section. How cute is that? It's a plate. Hot cross bun plate. It's cute. Oh, these are nice. I like that. Little bunny plates. I'd love to one day have like a whole like Easter kitchen set. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I need to get Jaira into having like the boiled eggs as well. Mainly because those cups are so bloody cute. Got cutters, bowls. I wanted to get a nice bowl to have like on the table just to have Easter eggs in it. But I've been struggling to find a nice bowl. That one's okay. What is that? Oh, is that for a candle? Some bunnies. Little mini moss bunnies. Oh, these are cute. Oh, what's this camera doing? Little ceramic bunnies. I like those. They've got heaps of cool craft sets as well here. These paper mache eggs, Easter egg hunt kits, craft kit, $8. How good's that? Little $2 activity books. What's actually in them? Oh, that's the answers. Oh yeah. I don't think Gyra's really ready for those yet. It has so much stuff though. Oh! Yes, the Easter egg chalk. I want to get that for Gyra. Oh, lucky. That is the last one. Okay, I'm getting that. All the plushies, bunny ears. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at the little bunny. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then of course, all the chocolates. Oh, look at those. Oh, those are so cute. Oh, they have the hot chocolates here. Okay guys, these are usually at Kmart. We get these every year when they go on like the clearances and stuff. We stocked up last year because they are the nicest hot chocolates. They're like super sweet and chocolatey. If you don't like sweet, probably don't get them, but if you like sweet chocolatey hot chocolates, grab these. They're $5. There's so many good things this year. Oh, here's the pajamas. Oh my gosh. Here's the Easter jammies. Oh, there's heaps. They've got matching family ones too. That's cute. These are cute. Oh, these are cute. Oh, what's the camera doing? How cute are they? These ones I was looking at getting for Gyra. I'm tossing up between these ones and the Kmart ones. This bunny loves you. And those are the pants. So cute. Oh, I don't know. Are these the last ones? Oh. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. That's the size I was going to get as well. Is that a sign? But then I was like, is that too cheesy? This bunny loves you. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Okay, I've hid them at the back of some other pajamas. I'm going to check the Kmart ones first because I was leaning more towards them. And if they don't have the ones that I want, then I'll come back and get those ones if they're still there. What's that? That's all chocolates. He's not getting chocolates. So yeah, if they're still here when I get back, I'll get them. Otherwise, I'll get the Kmart ones. Far out, here's the chocolates. Oh, so, you know, I'm sure most of you guys know that Gyra's dairy free. So I'm gonna get this brand, Sweet William. I got him these bunnies last year, but they do a dairy free chocolate block. So I'm gonna get him a block and then melt it down and make like Easter chocolates because we have some molds that we got. So yeah, we're gonna make his own chocolates. They're extending the range of dairy-free Easter goods, which is so cool to see. Easter bunny, what's it called? Dairy-free bunny, because they didn't have those last year. And they also have this dairy-free bubblegum flavored Easter egg. Yum, I want that. For me, not for Gyra. But yeah, last year it was just these. That was literally all they had for dairy-free. So that's so cool to see. Oh, yum. These are my favorites over here. Lindt, that is my favorite chocolate. I have to get a Lindt bunny every year. So Joseph, you know, when you're ready. So I'm in Kmart now. I have these. It's an interesting shape. All the two little mini ones. Cute. They've got the craft tubs as well. Marble paints. Heaps of craft things for the kitties. Paint your own Easter eggs. Got the cookies. I don't know how good the ingredients and stuff would be in these DIY cookies, but anyway. They've got the giant eggs as well. That's what I used for Jaira's basket last year. I don't know if I'm going to use it this year or not. I'm not actually sure what I'm going to do. And then they've got these little chick ones, cute. Little filled ones. How cute are these baskets? He actually spotted them when we were here the other day. The Stitch and Spider-Man. He likes Bluey, Stitch and Spider-Man, so I don't know. I don't know if I want to get him a new basket or just use the egg again or what. And then I've already got other baskets as well at home, so I've got no idea what I'm gonna do. All the chockies, small little baskets. Oh my gosh, look. Giant bunnies. What are these? What's in here? Filled with milk chocolate eggs. Okay. More baskets. Okay, more baskets. Damn. And we've got the gold eggs. Oh, there's me. Hey. I think I kind of want to get one of these to do as a gift for someone, but I'm not sure. Because I've seen on TikTok people do them as little gifts for the gals. How cute are these? Winnie the Pooh. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. Flannelette jammies. How much are they? $18. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, someone needs to fix this section up. Peter Rabbit pajamas. Cute, 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 cute. All the winter pajamas coming out. It's that time of the year, as I was saying this morning. Is that all the Easter stuff? I think it is. Well, what did I need to get here? I can't remember what I was even looking for. Oh, I wanted to look for the books. Where are they? Like the activity books. Oh my gosh, stop. These little throw-ins. Well, I'm not even seeing any of the things that I wanted to. Well, I wanted to see the general section, what they have. But I'm not even seeing what I was coming here to look for. I wanted to look at some other pajamas that they didn't have in that section. And then the activity books. Maybe they're in the baby. Oh, here we go. Here's some. Yeah, these are one of the options. These are so cute. Little Peter Rabbits. And they got a girl's version, the pink. But I wanted the hot cross buns, these ones. I think these are so cute. But I'm not seeing his size. Maybe they have some down here. Okay, I found some more. Do they have a 3? What's that? Oh, no, that's Bluey. Damn, are they already sold out? Easter's in like 3 weeks. Am I too late? I'm usually actually more like prepared. Like I actually know what I want. Then I just gotta go and get it. But this time I don't even really know what I want. I had an idea. I might have to go to Big W and get those other pajamas then, I think. Well, that was a big fat fail. I didn't even get anything from Kmart. They didn't have Gyra's size in the pajamas that I wanted to get, and they didn't have the activity books. I didn't really like them because, or like the coloring in books, because they were more activities than coloring in. And like they had one, that mega Easter book or whatever it was only like $3, I think, $3 or $4. The pictures were so dumb in it. They were like, they didn't have like the big Easter eggs, big Easter bunnies. They were all like really little detailed pictures, I thought. And there was just heaps of like mazes and word finds and stuff in it as well, which Gyra obviously can't do at 2 years old. So I didn't get him that. And then there was a couple other ones. Oh, they had like this $5 activity pack. It came with like felt tip pens, coloring in activities and stuff. I thought that was a cool one. I was gonna get that, but it looked too girly because it had more like girlier colors on it, and then it had like the little, what are they called, those little like gem stickers, and it just looked really girly. So I was like, oh nah, I'm not gonna get that, which is so annoying. They need to have more things for boys. I noticed on a lot of the like books and stuff, it was really like pinky girly colors. And I mean, I know it's probably stupid, like kids are kids, they don't really care about the colors, what the colors mean and whatever, but just for me, I was just like, nah, it's not the vibe. So yes, and I was gonna go back to Big W, but it's on the other side of the bloody mall and it closed now. So I'm gonna have to come back another day and hopefully get those pajamas. And I wanted to have a look at their books too, because I think they had a better selection of books at Big W. So I'll go back another day and hopefully there's still some stock left. I thought I would be okay, like it's not for another few weeks. I thought there would still be more. I knew some things would be sold because everyone just goes crazy these days, but I thought there would be more left. I'm a little bit disappointed, but yeah, oh well. I'm just gonna have to come even earlier next time, next year. But yeah, so I literally just got those egg chalks, and that was the last one left. I feel like everyone wants the same things as me. All the same things I want is what's selling out, and then there's heaps of all the other things left. Like, why have we all got the same taste, all got the same style? What's going on? But yeah, I'm gonna head home now. I need to cook dinner, it's late. And yeah, we're having tacos. It's Taco Tuesday tonight, so that's what's on the menu. But yeah, I need to head home. There you go, I just gotta serve the rest up. Din's is ready.
And
our tacos.
another mama.
Yeah. You're gonna have olives and avo?
No.
That's okay. Alright, what else do I want to hear? Got lettuce. Let's go the olives. You like yours? Yum, 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 yum. Did you put some olives in yours?
Ooh, don't use the lettuce. Like that.
Oh. Do you want me to use the cheese ones?
No.
Well then.
Want me to do that with tomato?
Oh, you know.
Well,
Okay. Choose. You know what I saw at Costco? They had the big bottles of the cheese sauce. They had them with like all the hot dogs because, you know, that's what they'd usually be used for. And I was like, oh, that could be an idea. Wait. Just to have for everything. Just a cheese sauce ready to go for like tacos, hot dogs. Not for everything, but you know. Evo's on. What else do I need?
Not for everything, Mama.
Not for everything, no. Just such a. Now, is this gonna fit or have I filled it up too much?
too much. That's a half fold.
As usual. You know, I was thinking about getting the hard shell one, so I was thinking about getting that half and half box. Because we haven't had hard shell tacos in ages.
I don't know.
Yeah, I never really used to, but I was like, could be nice. Okay, cheers.
No cheese.
Cheers.
Cheese.
Another bite. You love tacos, eh? Yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this?
What's that? That's the taco, the tortilla.
Like that?
Like
that?
Eat it up.
Something is falling on me.
Something falling on you. It'll be your food. It's dropping down the bottom. Alright, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, coming along with me, running my errands and whatnot for the last couple of days. Oh yes, I need to do pickles on the next one. Yeah, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, please guys. I see a lot of my viewers are not subscribed, so hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below of what you'd like to see next. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.